centuries of Ayurvedic wisdom from the house of Sreedhareeyam and advanced research from Ayurflora Research Institute come together to create a line of revolutionary herbal products. Highly potent and safe Ayurvedic formulations, further enhanced with 100% botanical versions of iconic beauty ingredients like hyaluronic acid and bakuchiol for visible results, and fresh flower extracts for natural aroma and freshness. This synergy of 3 elements, we call it the Golden Trilogy. Experience safe, smart and high-performance beauty and baby products with Farmherbs, the 100% true herbal.